Step into Australian performance and practicality with the 2016 Holden Commodore SV6 Black Edition Sport Wagon. This 5-door wagon combines sporty styling with everyday versatility, powered by a strong 3.6-litre V6 petrol engine and a smooth 6-speed sports automatic transmission. Built for driving enthusiasts who need space, this sport wagon delivers sharp handling, confident acceleration, and a spacious cargo area perfect for work or family life. It comes equipped with a tow bar, roof racks for added storage, and a pet barrier to keep your furry companions safe and secure on every journey. The SV6 Black Edition features unique styling accents, alloy wheels, and advanced infotainment, all wrapped in a sleek, performance-inspired design. The 2016 Holden Commodore SV6 Sport Wagon, Australian-made, family-ready, and built to perform.